Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Sygnus Credit Investments says its additional public offer of ordinary shares has been oversubscribed. Sygnus today reported that it exercised the option to upsize the offer by 54% to 240.8 million new ordinary shares. Sygnus went to market to raise up to $3.3 billion from the offer, with the funds to be used to repay a short-term debt and investments. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $143.87. The Canadian dollar is selling for $112.78. The pound sterling sells for $195.85, while the euro is going for $176.96. iCreate has announced several initiatives to pivot and grow this year. The company, at its recent AGM, named among the initiatives a $1 billion project for what it is calling an Opportunity Ventures and Creative City. That project should take 24 months. However, iCreate is not stopping there and has announced it will stage Reggae Sunsplash this year after last year's staging attracted 330,000 viewers from 30 countries. Another revenue push is expected to come from its acquisition of e-commerce platform Mobile Edge Solutions to help with its build-out of the creative and technological industries. The JSE index lost more than 720 points today, with the junior market index gaining almost 20. The best performers were SSL Venture Capital, Epley 8.25% preference shares, Dolphin Cove, Blue Power Group, and First Rock Capital. The worst performers were the KLE Group, Consolidated Bakeries, Paramount Trading, Radio Jamaica, and Everything Fresh. And that's the business day. International stories when we return.